Well, as the nation gets set for changes under Trump's administration, concerns over immigration policies are now on the rise.
5 News reporter Jose Carranza spoke to a local immigration attorney to understand what families in our community could expect.
There's always changes when there's a new presidential administration, every single time. A lot of times there's even changes when a president wins a second term.
Fayetteville-based immigration attorney Nathan Bogart has 15 years of experience in immigration litigation and deportation defense.
But when it comes to this particular administration, we do expect to see more aggressiveness when it comes to immigration enforcement.
President-elect Donald Trump has promised to begin the largest deportation operation in American history on his first day. Tom Homan, President-elect Trump's border czar, told the Washington Post the administration will build tent structures to hold thousands of migrants at any given time.
We need at least 100,000 beds, but I'm not going to put a limit on it. I'm telling the minimum we need 100,000 beds because we got a big population to look for.
Bogart says already rumors of checkpoints and raids in our area have caused anxiety amongst the community. He says anyone without immigration status could be detained by ICE, but even those with a status like TPS, asylum or refugee, legal permanent residence, or DACA, it can be complicated.
In the matter of normal course of your daily life, you shouldn't fear being picked up by ICE. You have to have generally committed some type of crime that makes you detainable and then subject to mandatory detention. And then in order to be deported, that crime also has to make you deportable.
Bogart says crimes of fraud, violence, or drugs can cause massive immigration consequences. But in the case someone is detained by ICE, Bogart reminds we all have rights.
We all have basic constitutional rights in any encounter that we may have with law enforcement. And it doesn't matter if we were born in the United States, if we weren't born in the United States, if we have valid immigration status in the United States, if we don't. None of that matters.
Those include a right to remain silent, a right to an attorney, and a right to hearing before a judge. Bogart also advises you be honest with U.S. officials and have a plan in place, like a power of attorney, for any family or business concerns. Covering news where you live, Jose Carranza, 5 News.